So in this video, we're gonna teach you, or we're gonna guide you to how we can make a button, make a beautiful button, okay, for this website or any pages. So here you can see there are two buttons over here. So if I hover this button, so it look like something is zoom out, zoom in, or boilerplate codes. Okay, so I will go through. I will erase all of them and ink and implement from the sketch of this buttons. So let me make one other files video to for you. Okay, that you can get a clear idea to how we can implement this. I don't want to let you in problems, so that's why I'm creating a new file. Okay, be stay on this video and watch till end. Index.css. Let me write some boilerplate in our HTML code. So writing this for you, just write the shift plus the exclamation signs. Okay, if I click the hit enter, so it will generate a boilerplate code for you. Now write some logic over here. So for now we have only two buttons. Okay, this is this. Let me give this class to this div. This is the container, we can say container. Inside this container we have another div. Inside the div the content actual button. I want to give this addis btn. Let it click me. Okay, this is the I will give here it's not necessary to write this div, so it can be it is also fine if it not is. Okay, for now just check how look like in our pages. Let me check. Yeah, you can see this is the button here. And let me add the style sheet to this HTML. So if adding the style sheet, so you need to add this link. Okay, inside this href, so you have to write the index this file names. In my case there is the index.css. So yeah, I'm able to add the css to this HTML file. So now check just background color red. Let me check what is actually happening. Or yeah, you can see this is the background color is added to this our HTML text. So we need to we need to button this we need to place this button here at the center of this pages. Okay, so for that you can use different method like position method, or for now I will use this display property. So let me add display flex. To adding this display flex to adding the center, so we have to justify content center. And I also want to align this vertically, so align vertically, so for that also the center. Okay, width should be this width should be this let me add 7 ram. And also the height should be the 1.5 ram. Let me see how it is. Yeah, you can see this is the things. Now I want to place this to here. Okay, if I use margin auto, it should be here. Okay, now we need to move till we need to move here, so we need to add some margin top. Let me add margin top. Let's write 10%. You can see it is here. Okay, no, this is not want to write in my background color, so I just want to write a border, because in a previous code you can see this is not a background, it is something like that. It's a gray type. Okay, and okay, same thing I will use border 5 pixel solid gray. This is not the same. Let me add. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let me check it. Yeah, it is pretty fine now. Just write a border radius over here, just like 10 pixel. Okay, 10 pixel, not jet px. So you can see this is the border. Yeah, let me style this a button. Okay, button should be buttons should look like in our actual code. So it is this type. Okay, let me but for now this is here. So let me style this button as the same is here. So for now, so what can I do here? Let me add a background color first. Till write a padding, some padding like a 10 pixel, not 10 pixel. I want to add padding from this top, from the top and from the bottom, and also be top and bottom also be left and right. So for now I will use from the top we want to add just a 5 pixel, and the left 10 pixel. The bottom I will also same 5 pixel, and also the right same 10 pixel. Okay, you can see this is here. Okay, I want to add this. I don't want to add height over here, so I want to add height here. Okay, Okay, now what can I do? You can see that there is nothing border are provided here, so we need to. But here you can see the black lines is the border of this button. So we need to remove this. So we need to remove this, right? So we need to remove this. So for border, I just apply the border. None. Okay. Width should be 90%. Not dollar. Okay. You can see over here. This is the things and as well. So we need to hide this. Extend this height like 2 RAM. Okay, now you can see this is the thing. Now I want to also add a more height like 2.5. You can see, yeah, this time is pretty much on this. You can see here there are some border radius as well, but in my let me provide this border radius 10 pixel. Okay, I know this is the pretty much for the same. So we need to style we need to add the CSS or hover effect. So to adding this hover effect, just write button dot hover. Okay, we have hover. So inside this hover, so transform property and write identifier name. Transform, not transform, transition property. You can say transition. This is a transform. I want to rate duration. So 0.4 seconds and is in out. Okay, click is in out. Okay, no, I will edit this transform here and not equal to scale. I want to scale this button 1.1. Let me check. Is it here? Yeah, you can see. You can see this is the